Point ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's midfield hangars. Information Quebec, Bellevue departure.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing ground runway 14 right at Bravo 4, taxi via Bravo.
14 right, Bravo 4 via Bravo, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Alright, so it's a left turn here, north on Bravo.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you may set up a verify information in Quebec.
We do have Quebec, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Thank you.
Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's 14 right, Bravo 4, Bellevue departure.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, fly straight out for now, runway 14 right out of Bravo 4, clear for takeoff.
Straight out for now, 14 right, Bravo 4, clear for takeoff, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Okay, everything's on. Final is clear, runway's clear.
16 go off of runway 14 left, clear, touch and go.
About 5,500 feet remaining.
48 Whiskey, traffic 5 mile final, Challenger, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff.
Our set fuel flow split, airspeed is locked.
48 Whiskey. So 16 go off, traffic's made LA Bay for runway 14 right, Challenger.
You're up. Traffic ahead in sight.
Let's go to Mic turn, if you haven't already, turn over to crosswind. And then 46 Foxtrot, traffic on the left crosswind in the pattern Cessna, do you have that traffic in sight?
Affirmative, 46 Foxtrot.
46 Foxtrot follows out the Cessna, and Bellevue departure is approved.
Bellevue departure behind that Cessna, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Listen to Romeo off, traffic on the upwind of runway 14 right, Bonanza, turning left crosswind, there'll be a Bellevue departure, follows out Bonanza.
Gauges are okay.
So 1064 Charlie, Boeing Tower, flies green like arrival. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, when able to change my frequency 118.3.
18.3, 46 Foxtrot.
This is 48 Whiskey, traffic ahead and to your left on the upwind of runway 14 left, Cessna in the pattern. Contact self departure, safe flight. This is 2 Romeo off, turn crosswind.
Turn crosswind, 2 Romeo off.
Then 46 Foxtrot, you can pass that Cessna head on the downwind on the east side.
12 o'clock, same altitude.
Wilco 46 Foxtrot.
This is 09 Mike, extend downwind, you're following Caravan, just be in the stadiums.
Extend downwind to the stadium, 09er Mike.
Seymour 6341, runway 14 left, clear land, wind 2803.
Decent sight down there, no factor. Yep.
Tower 16 go off, what's going around?
This 16 go off, Roger, go around, and continue upwind, you're following Cessna, left.
Okay, we're clear right, aim for the lid.
Continue upwind, we got the Cessna, just turning left downwind in sight, 16 go Alpha.
Following Boeing Tower 120.6 again.
Gonna get bumpy this afternoon.
Yeah.
Helicopter 3-1 and Anacortes Whiskey, Boeing Tower, proceed inbound, report 1 mile west of the field.
Okay, gauges are still good.
United Tango Sierra, turn left off 900 and then contact ground point 900.
I'm gonna aim for the south part of Bellevue once we
Mike,
get
has
through.
the Caravan to follow in sight.
Looking for the Caravan, Caravan is in sight, 09er Mike.
09 Mike, Roger, follow that Caravan, and number 2, runway 14 left, clear, touch and go.
Following traffic, clear touch and go, 14 left, 09er Mike.
Number 64 Charlie, safe parking.
Going to leading edge, bearing 64 Charlie.
Number 64 Charlie, Roger, make the, continue on the green light, arrival, expect runway 14 right, traffic on the east side, pattern 3 Cessna.
Expect 14 right, we'll continue on the arrival, bearing 64 Charlie.
3 runway 14 left, clear, touch and go, traffic, just inbound from the stadiums of Barron, up to escape 1,500, they'll be for runway 14 right.
Soldier number 314 left, clear touch and go, 2 Romeo.
I don't see anybody visually or on the traffic out here.
Have you heard anybody refer to it as the lid yet on traffic?
Center 64 Charlie.
Our tower.
They said the tower might do it. That's why I added it to the diagram.
Runway 14 left. Widen out to the west to make the straight in runway 14 right. Runway 14 right for the land along landing is approved.
Traffic in sight. We'll join final for 14 right. Clear to land 14 right. Bearing 64 Charlie.
All right, we'll go ahead and climb on up a little bit here. Get out of some of these bumps, maybe.
Southeast practice area, Skyhawk 6094 Foxtrot is over the east side of Lake Taps at 2,200. We're going for 2,500 feet. We're going to be doing some maneuvering. Southeast practice area, east side of Lake Taps.
Northeast practice area, White Skyhawk, 3 miles east of Lake Sammamish, 3,000 feet, maneuvering, northeast practice area.
So I don't think we have any weather for Anacortes. Whidbey's reporting winds out of the south at 11, southwest at 11, so kind of guess that that's what they're doing. Plan to overfly and join right traffic runway 18. The class Charlie there is 2,000 feet, so that shouldn't be a problem.
Trim 22, contact Shell Center, Channel 8.
Might be some F-18s out playing today. Here.
Sirius 3 Delta Victor, change advisory for user approved, reports cancellation in the air with me on deck via shadow radio.
Whidbey approach, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, just north of, west of Arlington, going to Anacortes.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot will be approaching altimeter 3003, squawk 0151.
0151, we're level 3000, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, radar contact Arlington Airport, 3 miles northwest, 3000.
That all checks, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. All right, so we can bust through their class Charlie. Now there's Skagit Bayview and Anacortes is over that way.
Stationary 48 Whiskey, proceed direct Kyrek, cross Kyrek at 4,300, cleared RNAV 29 approach.
Proceed direct Kyrek, cross Kyrek at 2,900 and cleared RNAV 29.
Stationary 48 Whiskey, cross Kyrek at 4,300.
Cross Kyrek at 4,300 and then cleared RNAV 29 for Whiskey.
Grim 21 will be departure radar contact, climb maintain 9,000, leaving 2,000, turn left direct, Stilly.
See now it's showing me my top of descent.
Phoenix 61, contact Sales Center, button 7.
You'll start to see the carrot come in here in a minute.
Eagle 46 will be approach lane to runway 25, will be altimeter 3003, descend to maintain 8,000, say approach request. Stationary 4A Whiskey, traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, 6,700 indicated.
4A Whiskey, scanning.
Now VPATH is active, and it will stop at 1200.
Whidbey resident 2529, passing 5 for 9 on the Kino.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, radar service to terminate, squawk VFR, free exchange proof.
Thanks for your help, 46 Foxtrot.
Orcus, runway 16, enter on downwind.
Anacortes traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrots, about 4 miles east, planning it overhead to join right downwind, 18 Anacortes.
Anacortes traffic, track 2 Bravo Hotels on a right crosswind for a right downwind departure. We'll be heading down east out to Guaymas Channel.
Pull the autopilot off.
Eliza area traffic, 652 on Delta, 4 miles north, 3 seconds for light, left base runway 16 Eliza.
I got him up there.
Okay.
Anacortes traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrots. Now 2 miles east, we have the northbound traffic in sight. We're overhead to join the right downwind, 18 Anacortes. Speed checks, approach flaps.
And Anacortes traffic, track 2 Bravo Hotels, departing the pattern down to Guaymas Channel, eastbound 1,000 feet.
Speed checks, gear coming down. 3 green. There's 1200. A lot of houses up here.
Yeah, so theirs is right at the north end of the runway.
I see. Anacortes traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrots, turning right downwind, 18, full stop Anacortes. Okay, I got myself a little bit low here, we'll wait a moment. 3 green, approach flaps, mixtures rich, prop to come. Anacortes traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning right base, 18, full stop, Anacortes. .90 knots in the groove.
Lopez traffic, Skyhawk 13437, 3 east, we'll be crossing over the field, entering a right downwind for 16, Lopez.
Anacortes traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning final, 18, full stop, Anacortes. Turn it final, 3 green, mixtures rich, prop to come, below full flaps. Prop is forward, 3 green. Coming into the glide path. On speed. Oop.
pretty decent wind out of the south.
Yep. Anacortes, traffic Bonanza, 46 Foxtrot's clearing, 18 Alpha 3. Flaps coming up. Cow flaps open.
Friday Upper traffic, Skyhawk.
Strobe.
Pardon me, Lopez traffic. Skyhawk 437 is over the top, be entering a right downwind 116.